Part E, Language Focus, page 90. Pronunciation. Read the following phrases. Pay attention to how the full and contracted forms of the auxiliaries are pronounced.
I have, I've, you have, you've, he has, he's, she has, she's, it has, it's. I have not, I haven't, you have not, you haven't, he has not, he hasn't, she has not, she hasn't, it has not, it hasn't.
Practice reading these sentences.
I've got something for you. You've got something for me. We've failed and they've passed. I haven't always lived in this cottage, you know. Haven't you? You've not been here long, of course. I haven't, but I've grown to love it already. He's left, and she's gone to work too. Hasn't the doctor come yet? No, the doctor hasn't been called.
Practice.
Now we review prepositions. Preposition of time. At, in. Now we review prepositions. Preposition of time. At, in, on. And prepositions of places. Next to, under, in, on, over, between, behind. And prepositions are used with some verbs, like believing, exist on, warn about, consist of, prevent from, congratulate on, look after, die of, apologize for, look forward to, think of, think about, make of, make from. And prepositions are used with some adjective. Next part, we learn about articles. We can use indefinite articles and definite articles. Indefinite articles are for general thing. And we use the for specific objects that both the speaker and the listener know that object. For example, an old man and a young girl are sitting opposite me. The old man is French and the young girl is English. Yesterday I bought an English book and a dictionary. The English book is interesting, but the dictionary is boring. We can use article the with an adjective to refer a group of people: the poor, the homeless, the disabled, the unemployed. Or we use article the with names of musical instruments like the guitar, the piano, the violin, or names of oceans: the Indian Ocean, the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, etc. We can use the with names of some countries like the USA, the UK, the Czech Republic, the Netherlands, or we use the to refer a type of animals, the tiger, the lion, or we want to refer an invention. We can use the with singular noun like the internet, the computer, or names of objects which are unique like the moon, the sun, the sky. With surname, we use the Smith, the Johnson to refer the family. Now we move to practice part. Exercise 1. Use the article to complete the 10 sentences. Now we correct this exercise. 1. We went by train to the west of England. Number 2. People who live in Scotland are called the Scots. 3. Columbus was one of the first people to cross the Atlantic. 4. Davis learned to play the violin when he was at university. 5. Did you read the book I lent you last week? 6. Is that the present Bill gave you for Christmas? 7. The computer has already changed our life dramatically. Number 8. There was an accident yesterday at the corner of the streets. 9. I need time to think about the offer you gave me. 10. Little knowledge is a dangerous thing. Now we move to exercise number 2. Choose the best option with the correct preposition. So number 1, we choose A. You are in time for the meeting. Luckily. On time có nghĩa là đúng giờ và in time là kịp lúc. Number 2, we choose A. Die off. Number 3, to be on business. Number 4, we choose A. At the end of the book, they get married and live happily ever after. Number 5, you are a true friend to me. We choose B. Number 6, I can't believe in you. You always let me down. Number 7, I have warned you about the difficulties you have to face when applying for the job. Warn about. Number 8, famous for. We choose B. Number 9, we choose B. The bookshop is between the chemist and the butchers and opposite the library. Number 10, we choose A. Get married to. Now we finish the lessons.